One more bench. కింద కూర్చోవా? ఇద్దరు కూర్చుంటే అయిపోతుంది కదా. So we are going in the Pondi Marina boat
from the backwaters into the ocean for 1 hour.
For what?
No, he said 500 unlimited time, but I asked for 400.
ఇలాంటివంటే నాకు బాగా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రా.
He said 1 hour.
Starfish.
I was like, it's fine.
Starfish.
ఒకసారి డీటెయిల్
ఏదైనా ఒక విషయం సగం వింటానికే చిరాకు నాకు. రెండోసారి కూడా వినాలా?
If you can see, the water in the, it's so blue. Oh my god.
Hey, they're in alignment. Did you observe?
Yeah.
Come here. Oh my god, this is worst. Oh, you guys look like twins. Like
We are at this Nibbi place. Say it again. Nibbi place.
ఎక్కడ దొరికిందిరా ఈ రాజమండ్రి నీకు?
Where is the Nibbi place? Pondi Marina place. And you feel this is Nibbi place. Nibbi place. Where is Nibba?
నీకు తెలివి ఎక్కువైందిరా.
having fun பண்றீங்க.
నువ్వు కొట్టావా? ఏ డౌటా?
She just kind of fun పర్లేదు. Matched. So fun பண்றீங்க. Fun తో பாடல ரொம்ப உல்டா பண்றீங்க. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். பிளேஸ் தான் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். అవదా
ఓ నీ అబ్బా ఆపరదే.
అది చంద్రముఖి డైలాగ్ అండి. వాట్ ఇస్ చంద్రముఖి డైలాగ్? నాండా సప్ప బీట్ ఇరుకా కుస్తీ లడాయించరా. What was your experience with Pomegranate Beach? Amazing. Zing like that without one bubble coming out. How is your experience? Oh, she's basically tired. Okay, what about you?
No, I'm not tired.
Can you please just an Nibbi? Can you please tell an essay?
Wait.
On no, I'm not tired.
No, I'm not tired because I'm with my friends and we watch sunrise and sunset together, and this is the best sunrise ever and also sunset.
not a sunset person, but it was so beautiful today, and that's why I'm not tired. I'm still reminiscing all those moments. Those moments are still stuck in my eyes.
So, conclusion?
So we'll see. We got 2.5 days.
No, tell it in Tamil.
ఏది కుక్క తిప్పుకోకుండా ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడు.
It's a chala clear sky. Food is munding. It's too hot. Chavanta coating. Time is up. Back.
Romba nalla irukku. Tell. You tell. You told pedda composition only.
Composition chepta Tamil theriyadu.
Rendu line. Bus. What did you order for your lunch? Tell.
Rendu fried rice, rendu curd rice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అని ఇప్పటివరకు చేసిన పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ లో ది బెస్ట్ టైమింగ్ చేశారు నువ్వు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
It is cute.
You want to tell something else about the Pomegranate Beach? You wish to. How is Richie Rich here? How what do you tell my subscribers to subscribe to her channel?
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఏం చెప్పగలను ఇంతకన్నా.
Would you suggest them to come to Richie Rich? Or
Sure.
what would you like them to?
Definitely not miss that place.
Yeah, blueberry.
They have to try blueberry thick shake.
And mango.
Don't try sandwich.
Yes, right. Don't
Especially the veg. But don't miss ice creams or thick shakes from Richie Rich.
Yeah.
Which is just opposite the
Pomegranate Beach.
Promenade Beach.
Ooh, Promenade Beach. It's went to Oroville also, no?
Yeah.
How was it? What was your experience on Oroville?
Photography not allowed. We were not allowed inside the Maharashtra Mandir, but it was a very pleasant experience.
So I think because you're talking like this because the French people gave that as a boon, right? Swimming prohibited. Just behind there is a boat. Ramya can read it in Tamil. Alakananda.
Tamil theriyadu.
Tamil theriyada.
Rendu fried rice, rendu
Like how Hindi mein pyaz dalo bhaiya. Everybody's taking out photographs.
This beach is I think it's very crowded and it's very common.
It's like that Vizag RK beach.
RK beach,
Exactly.
But RK beach is worst. If you really want to experience beach, go to Serenity Beach. In
Yes.
the morning 5:45. It's famous
Morning.
for sunrise. Till 8:30.
It's all famous for sunrise. What is the famous beach for sunset?
Paradise Beach. We have to experience that. You
Yeah,
can also
so-
go to boating at sunset. It's actually around that time. 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Paradise Island.
So when are we going? When are we going to show that in our vlog?
When we do it.
Maybe day after tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Archana, do you have any words? A few words that you could speak about your Pondi trip for just like 3 days that you want others to.
After the whole trip.
Oh, you want to speak after the whole trip, and then I'll have to interview you. $1000 పిల్లర్ హాలా? అది వరంగల్లో ఉంది. హాల్, ఓన్లీ హాల్, నాట్ టెంపుల్. టు గో ఆల్ ద వే. అన్ని కదా పిల్లర్స్ ఉన్నాయా అని దాంట్లో అనిపిస్తుంది. కాలిపోతుంది రాజు, కాలిపోతుంది రాజు. విత్తనాలు వేశారు. చెట్ల మధ్యలోకి వెళ్తాం అన్నమాట. సో at that time I'll show you how does it feel. it's great. It's is it good for family, friends, and it's like family
For couples.
for couples also. We've actually taken 2 rooms because 2 adults for 1 room. So guys, where are we going right now?
SPA.
Spa. We wanted to experience the spa, so in this are you very Adios amigos!